Helen. Welcome to my kitchen. As we celebrate Holy Communion, I'd like to share a communion bread recipe with you. These are the ingredients and items that we're going to need to make our communion bread. Flour, of course. We're going to need 2 cups of good quality whole wheat flour, a half a cup of water, a half a cup of olive oil, and salt, which is optional. I use just about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Equipment wise, we're going to need a rolling pin, a ruler, a Ziploc bag, which is about a storage size, and a large mixing bowl, and a blender or a NutriBullet, which I'm going to use today. Okay, I'm going to get ready to put the ingredients together for the communion bread. We now have what looks like a milky appearance, and I'm going to pour that into my storage bag. I'm going to add the 2 cups of flour. Okay. Open up a little, let some of the air out of the bag. And then we're going to begin to roll it. We got a dough made here, and we're just going to roll it over, and actually lay it aside. It's best to put it down for a few hours overnight. Okay, it's well set and ready to be rolled out. Okay, now I get my rolling pin and begin to roll this out. Dough is all flattened out, and it's roughly about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to take it out of the plastic bag, and this is what I do. I I use the scissors and I go along the side and I cut open the bag. Now I have the parchment paper here and I'm going to put it on top. Flip it over onto the parchment paper, remove the plastic bag. And so our next step is to cut it up in pieces. Okay, this is all over. Bring it over into my baking pan, baking sheet, a cookie baking sheet. I set the oven at 350. It's good. Your communion bread is now ready to be broken, and I usually break it in small pieces for it to be ready for the church communion service. But before I do that, let me go ahead and wash my hands.
Happy Sabbath from the Dawes family to yours.
Although we cannot observe communion as a church family, this is a recipe you can share with your family at home.